Looking to give your supply chain career a boost? Enroll in our SAP Materials Management Data Analytics course. This training focuses on materials management using SAP and Microsoft Excel. It is a hands-on, virtual online course designed for folks interested in building their SAP knowledge and Microsoft Excel data analytics skills. Learn to select, export, analyze, interpret, and act on data using SAP transactions and powerful Excel tools. Master inventory control, demand planning, and procurement analytics to solve real-life work challenges. Work with various SAP datasets to gain meaningful insights into the current state of the supply chain and uncover opportunities for improvement. You'll also learn how to take proactive measures to address issues such as overstocks or material shortages that may negatively affect overall supply chain performance. Whether you're upskilling or preparing for your next role, this course bridges the gap between theory and real-world application. Join now and gain the confidence to land new supply chain roles and make data-driven decisions that drive results in your organization. Learn, apply, excel.